Bullish FTX token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $6.71 and $14.62 by 2030. Market experts accept FTT could reach $6.71 by 2025. Bearish FTX token market cost expectation for 2022 is $1.19. FTX token presentation. Experts from Money Road and significant tech firms like Google, Facebook, Jane Road, Optiver, and Susquehanna make up the center gathering behind the FTX stage. The modelers of the FTT token, with an abundance of involvement with monetary stock subsidiaries, desire to outperform OKEX, the top crypto estimate trade in the blockchain space. Sam Bankman-Broiled, the administrator of FTX, Gary Wang, and Nishad Singh helped to establish the commercial center. The gathering started creating FTX, a trade by brokers, for merchants, subsequent to laying out Lambda Exploration, a digital money quant exchanging firm and liquidity supplier. SBF accepted the crypto market coming up short on refined exchanging instrument for mind-boggling items. SBF and FTX are both domiciled in Hong Kong, a city that upholds digital currency. The liberal pioneer gives 1% of FTX's net exchanging charges to noble cause and previously filled in as a legal administrator at the middle for compelling charitableness. SBF is a notable player in the cryptographic money industry with more than 290 Kelvin supporters on Twitter. What is FTX token? The exchange token for the FTX environments is called FTX token, and it could be utilized as guarantee for prospects' positions, to get discounts on OTC exchanges, to bring down exchanging expenses, and the sky is the limit from there. Collateralized tokens, OTC exchanging, and Fates exchanging are undeniably presented by the FTX exchanging stage, which tries to turn into the main crypto trade commercial center in the blockchain business. FTX token specialized examination. The effective amount requested on changes in normal cost, turnover, and suggested unpredictability is analyzed utilizing specialized examination apparatuses. It works under the assumption that, when joined with appropriate money management or managing rules, verifiable exchanging action and cost increments of safety can act as significant indicators of future security costs. It can extraordinarily upgrade the evaluation of a security's solidarity or shortcoming contrasted with the general market or one of its areas. It is often used to produce momentary exchanging signals utilizing different outlining instruments. Investigators can refine their general worth gauge by utilizing this data. Signs of cryptographic money in light of specialized examination. A few line diagrams and outline examples can be utilized to do specialized evaluations of computerized monetary standards, utilizing the essential pointers recorded beneath. Anyone with any interest in specialized examination can look at the most exorbitant cost, market cap, normal value, the most elevated esteem, FTX cost gauge, FTX token cost expectations, or some other data connected with the hedera cost conjecture. Normal directional list. A mark areas of strength for of that checks a pattern's power and energy is the typical directional record, contingent upon the bearing of the typical value. The pattern is remembered to have critical directional strength when the ADX is well over 40. The stochastic marker. The stochastic offers experts a one-of-a-kind method for distinguishing cost variances by computing the distance between the ongoing chart book esteem and the most profound low over the past X time frame. Then, this length is parted by the hole between the most reduced cost and the greatest expense during a similar time period. The line, %K, is first changed into the moving normal, %D, which is then projected on the rate K leading basic appraisals. For specific, requires grasping foundational challenges, knowledge of valuation techniques, and the ability to assess monetary information. Moreover, it regularly makes expectations in view of freely accessible information, such an organization's verifiable benefits and further developed seriousness. FTX token current cost. FTX token is right now worth $1.49 USD. FTT has moved 5.94% as of now with an exchanging volume of $21,221,450. FTX token is right now positioned 209 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $490,584,215 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for FTX token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. FTX token value forecast 2022. FTX token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The FTT cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $2.24. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2.09 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and progression. FTT is supposed to have a base worth of $1.79. FTX token value expectation 2023. In 2023, FTX token FTT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of FTT will before long outperform $3.73. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the FTT's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, FTT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.98 and a typical exchanging cost of $3.28. FTX token value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $5.22 and FTT might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. FTT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $4.77 and a low of $4.47 in 2024. FTX token value expectation 2025. Assuming FTX token effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the FTT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, FTT will be green in 2025. The FTT is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $6.71, with a base cost of $5.97 and a typical cost of $6.26. FTX token value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the FTT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $7.76 by 2026, with a base cost of $7.46 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, FTT has a greatest value worth of $8.20. FTX token value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $9.25. In the event that FTT figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $9.70. Neglecting to assemble the help FTT needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $8.95. FTX token value expectation 2028. While FTT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $10.44 and a yearly cost close above $11.19 in 2028. FTX token value forecast 2029. By 2029, FTX token will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $11.93 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $12.68, averaging out at $12.23. FTX token value